What's up guys, my name is Brock, you're watching The Modest Man, and today I'm going to show you my studio. So this is the outside. The studio is a guest house, so it's like a smaller house off of a bigger one in a residential area. I looked for actual commercial space but couldn't find anything that was good for shooting YouTube videos, so I ended up here and it's been perfect for what I need. So you might recognize the outside because I've done some Instagram pictures here. You know, some Tim DeSaint, some Travis White. Maybe not. Come on in. So this is the studio. Right here, I have a coat hanger or like a coat hook from Dapper Woodworks. Right now I'm just using it for my bag. This is the Air Tech Sling, by the way. And then some sound dampening materials. Right here at the entrance, got just some shelving. I keep my stuff right here. Got the Modest Man logo. In case you're wondering, these are just cheap stackable shoe racks from Amazon. I'll link to everything down below. And then I have this Barrington watch winder, which I just put the SKX 013 in here so it wasn't empty, but to be honest, I don't really wind my watches automatically. I kind of just wind them up when I'm ready to wear them again. So up next we have the desk. Close the door here. We are in Arizona. This is the automatic standing desk from Fully. It's called the Jarvis desk. Back when I bought it, the company was actually called Jarvis, now it's called Fully. And I really like this desk because it allows me to switch it up between standing and sitting. So when I'm sitting in this Secret Labs chair. This is the Omega, so it's kind of like their medium-sized chair. And what I really like about Secret Labs is they have like a height chart, so you can buy a desk chair based on your height, so it's not a one-size-fits-all. So when I'm sitting in this chair, very comfy and adjustable, and sometimes I'll use this footrest just to take some of the pressure off my legs. But I probably spend 70% of my time standing up, and I don't know, I just find it much more comfortable and I have more energy throughout the day when I can stand up and work. On the desk, we have a 13-inch MacBook Pro 2017 model. Has the touch bar. Touch bar is worthless, in case you were wondering. Hooked up to the LG 4K display. And then I have this other articulating arm for my condenser mic that I use for the Buttoned Up podcast, which if you don't listen to it, go check it out on iTunes. So that's the desk. And then this area here is where I do all the try-on videos. So you probably recognize this frame right here at the clothing rack that I use to keep the clothes that I'm gonna try on. I have a full-length mirror over here, because when I'm trying on these clothes, it's the first time I'm seeing them too, so I wanna see how they fit so I can talk to you guys about them. And then I use this tripod for the camera, and then this boom arm for a shotgun mic when I'm filming myself. So yeah, this is like the main part of the studio where I actually film the YouTube videos. So over here, we have the sitting area. Let's call it the living room. And these chairs are from Interior Define. I actually heard about this company through John Shanahan from The Cavalier. He's got one of their sofas. They're kind of this, I think the color's called mushroom or mushroom gray, but it's like a green-gray neutral color that goes with anything. These are like their petite chairs, or their apartment chairs. They're a little bit smaller. They seem like a perfect size to me. I never really sit here, and I don't really have guests in the studio, so this is mostly for show, but they are very comfy. And then this lamp, a lot of people ask about it. It's from Ethan Allen, but I got it for 40 bucks from Craigslist, so always check Craigslist before you buy new. And then this watercolor print was done by an artist named John Duval. I'll link to his Instagram below. Really like his work, so I asked him if he could do a types of boots painting for me, and he did. And yeah, I really enjoy it. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Please come into the kitchen. All right, this is the kitchen. Got a microwave. I don't really cook anything, obviously. There's no stove or anything. It's like a kitchenette, so I just bring my lunch to work most days and keep it in the fridge. I've got the Amazon Alexa for just like Spotify background music while I'm working. I use to set timers and stuff like that. A little bit of storage up here. And I've got my play button, which was a really cool little milestone. And yeah, that's basically the kitchen. Over here is my content planning whiteboard. So I use this just to kind of have an idea of what's in the pipeline. I know I've been kind of quiet lately here on YouTube, but I do have some awesome stuff. So we've got, let's see, Kit Harington, that's done. So we'll erase that one. That guy's finished. Go check out that video if you haven't seen it, by the way. And so we've got a minimum shoe collection, updated everyday carry video, video all about business casual style in 2019, socks, chinos guide, another video about expensive products that I think are worth the money. So a lot of cool stuff. And then when I'm working on content, I just come over here and I update the board. All right, back here, this is where I keep all my camera gear, just like various lenses, little charging station. I don't have a ton of gear. I try to keep it like relatively minimal, but some of the stuff I do use a lot, like, you know, this is my portrait lens for the GH5, the Rode shotgun mic for when I'm doing try-on videos. So yeah, little gear station. And then in here is the closet. So this is a really nice big closet. It's very clean right now because I just cleaned and organized the studio for this video. I have all these suits. These are all being given away very soon. I just don't wear suits very often, and I've accumulated so many just doing reviews for all these custom suit brands. So I'm gonna give all these away, and that will be nice. And then I just have some storage up here, stuff that I can't really get rid of. And over here, these are the lights that I use for try-on videos. These Generate LED panel lights. This place has a lot of natural lights, so just having a couple little fill lights is plenty. All right, and then last but not least, we have the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It's actually a pretty nice bathroom. I don't really use the shower or anything, but I have done some hairstyle videos in here. So yeah, pretty basic. I got some colognes over here, some soap. This is an outfit grid painting that my wife did, which I think is really cool. Saddleback dop kit, their canvas dop kit, which I just use for storage. And that's pretty much it. There is a shower, but I've actually never used a shower. I've been here for like 2 years and never used the shower, so it looks nice. Okay, so that is the studio. I will link to all of this stuff if it's available down below in the description. If you have any questions about any of this gear, let me know in the comments. Thank you as always for watching, and until next time, stay stylish. It's actually a really nice bathroom. Can you see me? Can you see yourself? Okay.
But I could for a second. Let's try it. Let's do it again. All right.